Hi, I'm Nigel Barker, photographer and creative director of Mimeo Photos. Now, I believe photography makes the best gifts. For example, calendars for the new year, photo books of your holidays and your vacations, of course, holiday cards. But there is so much more you can do with photography with the Mimeo Photos app to create really interesting gifts. Now come and have a look. I'm creating a really rather fun ABC book, no less, for a little one we have in the family. A is for Apple, ABC the Barker way. Now you can create these really fun soft cover books, hard cover books. We have all kinds of options. You use your own pictures from your own vacations. Now you can make these books themed. For example, I want to create a New York one. You can create one from your vacations, but you can also create different types of books as well, not just ABCs. For example, this portrait book I've made, which is half photo, half blank page, where whoever's playing with the book can actually color in the rest of the book. Here, for example, is a shot of our lizard, Rocky, with a blank page for you to do your best rendition of Rocky. Here's a picture of my daughter, Jasmine, and for whoever to try and do their best rendition of her during Halloween. So from ABC books, portrait books, thank you books, travel books, to cards. Not just holiday cards, but thank you cards. They make a really interesting gift. Now I created a small batch of this particular photo, just 15 cards, but then I made 4 different types of card, so it makes a great gift that my wife and sister-in-law who are in that picture can give away all year long. Now you can also use your photography and the Mimeo Photos app to create a gallery wall of your photos. They really make interesting gifts, and art can be expensive, but photography is by far the best and most affordable way to really fill your wall, make it look special and stunning and pop off the wall. So there you have it, a bunch of interesting ideas to get creative, use your photography and the Mimeo Photos app, and really wow everyone you know.